Hello and welcome back to another video. So in this video we will look at the comparison operators. What are they, how they work, and how you can utilize them in order to write some efficient programming. So in previous few videos ago we did discuss the comparison operators in the booleans video, but we didn't officially it wasn't an official video for the comparison operators. That was a video more focused on booleans, but in this video we'll just talk about the comparison operators. On your screen in front of you, you can see a table in which you can see different types of operators. So the double equal is used for checking equal to. So if two operands are equal, then the condition becomes true, else the condition is false. In this case, if A and B are equal, so the condition would return true, and if A and B are not equal, so it will return not true, or in other words it will return false. So let's explore each one of them in this Jupyter notebook and you will understand better. So if I say 2 is equal to 2, and do notice that I have written double assignment operators. Why is that? Because the single operator, the single equal sign is used for assignment, and if we make it double, then it becomes the comparison operator, which compare two operands and return a boolean value. So let's check out if I give 2 and 2, it returns true because 2 and 2 is indeed equal. If I give 2 and 3, you would see that it will return false, and this is basically a comparison operator for equal. Now let's also look the not equal. Well, not equal is used in case where we want to check and get a true value whether something is not true and stuff like that. So suppose I'm willing to reverse something, and sorry, the reverse thing is something else. We'll talk about that in the chaining video, but let's discuss the not equal right over here. So suppose I want to check for something is not equal. Suppose I want to check whether 2 is not equal to 2 and see. So because the 2 and 2 is equal, that's why it returned false. If I provide something else, like suppose 2 is not equal to 1, you will see that it will return 2. So this not equal is basically the opposite of equal to. In the case where you are getting the true with the equal sign, you are getting false there with the not equal. So we discussed the equal and the not equal. I hope you did understand. If not, just leave a comment down below and I will try to explain it more better in the comment section. Okay, now let's look at the greater than sign. So suppose I want to check if something is greater than another thing. So what I will do, I will write if 2 is greater than 1. So I will just press shift and enter, and you will see that indeed 2 is greater than 1. It returned true. If I check if 3 is greater than 4, and you will see that it will return false because 3 is not greater than 4. And let's just make it equal. So 4 is greater than 4. You will see that it will again return false because it's not greater. In order to check whether it's equal or greater, so what you will do, you will just write the same thing, but in front of the greater sign you will just add an equal sign. And you can see that it returned true because 4 is indeed equal to 4, and this is the operator. Like if you are willing to check whether something is equal to or greater than something, and we want to return on that case, so we will just write if 4 is greater than or equal to 4, and it will return true. If I make it 5, you will see that it will return false now. So this was the greater operator. Let's look at the less than operator as well. So less than operator works the same way. I will just copy and paste this statement, and instead of greater than, let's make it less than. So is 3 less than 4, you will see that it will return true. In the greater than, it was returning false, and in the less than, it's returning true because it's indeed less than. So the less than is opposite to the greater than sign, the way this not equal was opposite to the equal sign. Now we did understood the less than, greater than, and less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to sign. Now you can go crazy with these examples, and you can do whatever comes in your mind with these operators. And like these comparison operators will always return a Boolean value. So this is pretty much it for this video. I hope you did understood what I wanted to show you. The comparison operators are used in if-else condition and in other conditions like in a while loop or something like that. They are useful there, and they will help you a lot in your programming in future. And these are the operators that we will need a lot in our programming. So in this video, the main aim of this video was to check the equal, not equal, greater than, equal to, and greater than, and less than signs. So this is pretty much it for this video. I hope I will see you soon. In the next video, we will look at how you can chain these operators together and check 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 conditions in one line. So we'll look at that in the next video. Till next time, enjoy hacking or programming, whatever you are doing. Have a pleasant day. Stay cheeky breaky. Peace out.